how to install PySpark in Visual Studio Code. So if you want to install PySpark in Visual Studio Code, then what you need to do is you just need simply open up your Visual Studio Code at first. Then you will get this kind of interface, right? So to go ahead and install, you need to head on to the terminal section, which will be in the top left. Click on the terminal. After that, once you click on terminal, you will get the option of new terminal. You need to click on it, or you could also use the shortcut key. And you can find something like this on the bottom. Once you get this kind of interface, you just need to simply go ahead and type in the same interface, which is pip space install space PySpark. After that, hit the enter and wait for this to be finished downloading. So this one is the current version right now. So just wait for it to install and you will receive a message that it is successfully installed once it is done. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.